A man was shot and killed while two others are nursing injuries following a shooting at a 919 toll gate Clarendon Thursday night. The deceased has been identified as Michael Bassier of Manchester address. It is also understood that Bassier was also a resident of England in the United Kingdom. According to the police, the victim and several other people were at the 9-night in the area when they were pounced upon by gunmen who opened gunfire. Bassier received gunshot wounds to his head and upper body and was taken to Maypen Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The two other men, a 41-year-old from Manchester, received injuries to his shoulder, and the other, a 49-year-old who is of a Clarendon address, received leg injuries. The injuries are not life-threatening. Two people, including a 6-year-old boy, have died as a result of injuries they sustained in a two-vehicle crash on the mountainside, Fuller's Wood Main Road, east of Black River in St. Elizabeth on Thursday. Police named the child as Chris Gallimore, a resident of Arlington District, and the other victim as the boy's uncle, Josh Shane Roy, 21, a resident of Slipe District, both in St. Elizabeth. A police report said about 2:15 p.m., Roy was driving a Toyota Yaris motor car with the child as a passenger when he attempted to overtake a motor vehicle and collided with a Ford Ranger traveling in the opposite direction. The child and his uncle were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. Police investigators in St. Ann have launched a manhunt for a gunman who shot and killed a man while he was reportedly visiting his girlfriend at her house in St. Ansby on Wednesday. The deceased is 20-year-old Jordan Parkinson of Petersfield, St. Mary. Police report that about 8:15 p.m., Parkinson was sitting in a bedroom at his girlfriend's house when he was pounced upon by two men who had gained entry to the premises. One of the men pulled a firearm and opened fire at Parkinson, hitting him in the upper body. The men then fled the scene. The police were alerted and Parkinson was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead.